Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. Today we are showing you this glowy effect that I got on my skin under budget. Like maximum of the products are under 500 only. I'll be sharing what product to use according to your skin to get this glowy effect, and I have also shown some optional things that you could do in your skincare to get glowy effect if you're not getting it even after layering multiple products on your face, because this is how my skin looks like. And once I'm out in the sun, it's going to look so much better. And that's why I'm showing you with a close view of how glassy and clean it is looking, because that is what the idea of a good skincare, to make your skin looks breathable. So yeah, let's get started with our first step. Before that, if you guys don't have Instagram, you guys can follow me over here because I am posting some really interesting content over there. And let's get started with our first step. Basically, our first step has to be using a good cleanser. And I have two, three options with me right now. Like these are the ones, these two I have salicylic based. And this particular one from Novology has been my favorite since I got it. And the one that I would definitely recommend you to try on is the Novology, the Acne Deep Clearing Cleanser. This is like a very gentle cleanser. It does not make your skin very dry. It is very supportable and it can work best for even a combination skin person. I'm not sure about a dry skin person, but can work for oily combination and a normal skin person like me. And I'm loving it. This is a bit expensive. Will cost you somewhere around 600. So if you want to go on a budget, I would definitely recommend you to try the Minimalist Salicylic one. That is the best cleanser ever in budget. Cost you somewhere around 230 or 250 only. But this is currently my favorite and I should not stop using it. So this is how my skin is going to look like after I've washed my face, which is not itchy at all, and that is what I love about this cleanser, because neither my skin is oily nor it is dry. It is actually very suitable as per the weather. So yeah, this is how my skin looks like. If you guys can see, there's a little bit of glow on my nose, like on my cheeks, like literally from a cleanser, which is also very good. So if you could invest in a 600 rupees cleanser, go ahead. This is the best one out here. So now the next step is basically to use ice on your face. This step is literally optional. If you want it, you can use it. But if you are not getting glow from multiple products or layering multiple products on your face, you can try this step because it actually like increases your blood circulation. What you can actually do is directly take ice cube and gently apply it on your face, or you can also wrap it in a cloth and do that. But I will do it in a very gentle way because your skin is going to work out very well when you layer your products. So yeah, I will let it sit for like 2 minutes on my face. I can do this and my skin feels very cold. And if you guys have ever tried gua sha, you know how it is very good for the blood circulation. You see those red things on your face once you have used gua sha. That actually is the blood circulation happening on your face. The third step which we have is using a toner for your face. This was something I was never doing. I was never really a toner person. I never really had a toner. And until I tried this, I feel like my skin glows on a different level. Not only glowy, it also feels better when I use my serum after using the toner. So I feel like using a very calming and hydrating toner is also good. If your skin needs very good hydration, go for the toner. And if you feel like you have an oily skin, layering too much product can give you oil, then it is not necessary to use a toner again. But I would highly recommend you to try the toner if you have never tried it, just to see if it makes any sort of difference on your face. My skin has got dried up properly. Now I'm going to use this toner directly on my face by spraying it all over, and then I'm going to gently rub it on my face. So I tried this combination using a toner and moisturizer in the past. So I've tried this combination of using a toner and moisturizer in the past, and my skin was glowing so good, especially after using a face mask in the night. I loved it. And I've also shared a video on that. But this is how my skin looks after using the toner. Now it gives me that sort of a plumping effect. For your skin to glow, you also need to prep your skin well before you started layering actual products. I could have given you an idea about other toners, but this is like my first toner, so I don't really know the difference. I will try some more in the future. So as I've told you, you guys can absolutely use a combination of toner and a moisturizer to get the nice glowy effect, or you can directly go in with an ice massage and a moisturizer, because that will instantly going to give you a nice glowy finish. But if you are someone who uses serum, or you know that which serum works for your skin, go ahead with it. Currently, I am using the vitamin C and E from Dot and Key. I don't know why this didn't work out in the winter because of the weather and everything, but right now I'm using it and this is very, very good. And in between, I also use my Novology's pigmentation reduction serum, and oh my god, this is so good. I feel like skipping this one because both of them have niacinamide, works with me. And the mid Feb only, I've been seeing dark spots on my face a lot, like right now also you guys can see, and they have faded because of the serum only, and I love it. You guys gonna see something that this serum alone can give me such good glowing effect, and I'm gonna show you that right now. Also, if your skin is oily, go for a salicylic based serum. This one is from Minimalist. So I basically have a vitamin C serum for the people who are beginner in using serum. They don't know which serum to start with, and either go in with a hyaluronic serum or a vitamin C serum. Both are good because this has got niacinamide, and it will help you reducing the spots or actually making your skin looking little better. Anyone who has pigmentation on their face, try this freaking thing from Novology. You're gonna love me for this. And I have like a small bottle of this, but just look at the color of the serum. I will directly either take it on my face, or I can also take it on my hand because it's very, very watery. So I'm just gonna use this. You know, when I'm applying it on my face now, it feels like I'm using a moisturizer because it doesn't really feel like a serum. I don't know what kind of formula this has, but it actually makes me feel like I'm using a cream. Like it is so smooth, like little bit oily, or I don't know what kind of formula this has. It is very, very comfortable. Does not feel harsh on my skin. So the kind of glow I was talking about is this. Like, just look at it. Looks good. It is not that much. I totally agree. It is not a very, very glowy effect, but it has given me a very nice glowy effect. I don't know why it is not giving me today when I have to make a video. Okay, so all the serums that I have mentioned right now, all of them works in giving your skin a glowy effect. So you guys can accordingly choose. Also use a nice cooling moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer that I'm using whenever I'm not using any serum on my face, because sometimes I want to do something different with my skin. And for that I have this Molten Beauty's Jelly Moisturizer. And oh my god, it gives me such cooling effect. I love it for my skin. It does not irritate me at all. It just gives you very like nice cooling breathable effect on your skin. So this is the one. Now let's talk about the sunscreen, because I believe in using a watery based sunscreen. Currently I have these three with me. One from Underrated, which I've talked like so much. Since the past year only I've talked so much about this freaking product. So today we're not using it. Today I'm actually going in with this Dot and Key sunscreen. I am in love with the watery based texture. I love this product so much. This watery based sunscreen from Pilgrim is also very good. I've not tried it very much, but I feel like both of them have a similar sort of formula. But what performs better on my skin is this one. The Dot and Key wins for me so many times. So I'm going to directly use it from my face. Oh my god, too much product. But yeah, I have to use this, and I'm gonna rub it. Can you see the impact this has made on my skin? Instant glow. Like when I used to say that my sunscreens work so well in giving me an amazing glow, my lips are also glowing. Can you believe that? Like this is the effect I am talking about. Like this is your glowy look in summers that you're gonna get from these affordable products. This also is somewhere for around 350 or something. And what else do you need? And I can actually go anywhere because I've already layered my sunscreen and I'm good to go in the sun. Wow. Now our lip also needs something, but it does not have to do with any sort of lip balm, because it's summers, we don't really need lip balm. We mainly need a tint. We're gonna go in with this Dot and Key tinted lip balm. I love this particular color so much. I've used this much, and the best part, once the gloss goes away, the tint remains there. Like for 2-3 hours it is there. Wow, wow. Like this looks so freaking good. And my overall face along with my lips is looking so glowy. Like I just love it. Don't you guys agree with the steps that I've shown? Like all of them are going to make your skin look this glowy. Do try all of them and let me know how it has turned out for you. This glow is literally to die for. Can you see how my skin is literally looking like glass skin? So glossy, so clean, so pleasing. And once I'm out in the sun, it's going to look more shiny and glossy. Also, guys, I forgot to tell you that you can always have a tinted sunscreen with you if you don't want to go in with a basic sunscreen, because this freaking product from Dot & Key again is going to give you this glow effect. I don't know why I'm talking so much about Dot & Key, but why not? The product from this brand really works. मेरी friend ने literally ये try करा है product. She has a combination skin and उसको ये product अच्छा लगा है because उसको भी इसने glowy effect दिया है. So you guys can also try it. Dry पे भी work करेगा, oily पे भी करेगा, combination पे भी करेगा, normal पे भी करेगा. I don't know about the sensitive one, but I would still ask you to try this product. This is also under 500 only, and it is going to, or if you want, you can use double sunscreen layering. Why not? Because we need protection especially in the summers, as as we are heading out, and it is so freaking hot that you need a good layer of sunscreen. So go in with your both the products from Dot & Key, which is your tinted sunscreen and your water-based sunscreen. Yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this video, or if you feel like all of these products can work out for you, or is there any one product that you are currently have in your skincare, let me know about it. If you have any sort of question, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply it over here. And like this video, because that will tell me that I have actually helped you in getting this glowy effect on your face under budget. And do follow me on my Instagram. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Keep supporting and keep loving, and let me know what you want to watch next. So yeah, bye.